How to reset Windows 11 when your HP computer does not boot. If your computer is not booting normally and Windows 11 won't load, resetting Windows through the Windows recovery environment can solve this issue. Turn on your computer and immediately press the F11 key repeatedly until the Choose an Option startup screen displays. Select Troubleshoot and then select Reset this PC. If you have files on the computer that you would like to keep, select Keep My Files. This option resets Windows but retains your personal files so they are available after the reset. If you don't have any files that you want to keep, select Remove Everything. This option removes all personal files, apps, and settings, returning your computer to its factory state. If your computer has multiple drives, an option appears asking if you want to remove files from all drives or only the drive where Windows is installed. Select your desired option to continue. If after resetting the computer you plan on donating it or giving it to someone else, select Fully Clean the Drive. This removes your personal data in a way that prevents files from being recovered easily by the next user. If you plan to continue using the computer, select Just Remove My Files. This option takes significantly less time than fully cleaning the drives. Once all of your preferred options have been chosen, select Reset to reinstall Windows. The reset completes and Windows 11 boots normally. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.